Hi, I'm Sherry with Hair by Sherry, and this is video 2 in a series that I created for taking your hair from wet to a beautiful style finish. In video 1, I demoed how to apply your products properly, so my hair is already prepped. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the steps you're going to take using your blow dryer and the proper tools and how to use them. Before starting your blow dry, I always recommend sectioning off your hair. By doing this, it's going to help you stay in more control of your hair as you're styling it. In this video, I'm using a large round brush. I'm going to work on one section at a time. If you notice, I'm starting from the bottom and working my way up. I did add a little bit more product. By adding a little bit more product, you're going to change the fabric of the hair. If you notice, when the hair attached itself to the round brush after applying the product, the hair wanted to attach itself to the brush. You want to have a little bit of tension on that brush so that you'll get a nice, smooth finish on the hair. Notice on the second section, again, I'm spraying product on the hair, then getting the round brush. Notice that I am using a nozzle on the blow dryer, and the blow dryer is going in the direction of the hair. That's a super important tip, as you want the blow dryer to be pointing down with the hair so that you can get a nice shiny hair shaft. Moving on to the next section, we're going to section off the top of the hair and start in the middle of the hair. Or the middle of the head, rather. Again, applying product, but notice the difference here. I'm pulling the hair straight up a little bit farther from where it wants to come out from the head. In this section, in the middle of the head and in through the top, I want volume. If you want volume in the hair, you've got to be thinking about where you're pulling the hair out from the head shape. Again, on the side, notice I'm pulling it up away from where the hair lives and wants to grow out from the head shape. Blow dryer is on, high speed, high heat. There's a nozzle on the end of my blow dryer. The air of the blow dryer is pointing down on the brush. One of the things that I'm also want to mention that you're seeing as I'm blow drying my hair is after I've gotten it nice and hot with the blow dryer, if you notice I remove the blow dryer from the hair and continue wrapping and rolling the brush with my hair. This is a super important part of this technique, as remember in my previous videos I've shared with you, hot air moves the hair in the direction that you want it to be, cold air seals it. So by removing the blow dryer from the hair while it's hot and continually rotating the hair on the brush, or at least holding it in that position, it's going to seal that hair down in the position that you're holding it. Again, as I work through my hair up to the top of my head, I do continue to section so I can stay in control of my style. Notice as I move to the top of the head, I'm pulling that hair even farther away from where it lives. Now I'm on the top, the very crown of the head. This is where I want the most of the volume. Remember, we're always fighting gravity. So I'm going to make sure I pull it really far from where it lives, wrap it around the brush, get it nice and hot. I'm also kind of moving the brush in at the base of the hair because I really want to make sure I get the volume there. And then I'm going to hold it and rotate it until it's cool to ensure that I get a nice, smooth finish. And I'm also cooling it out away from the head shape so that I get nice volume in that hair. Another tip I want to share with you as well is I'm using in my style a very large round brush because I want just a big smooth finish with some volume. If you want more curl to the hair, then you could go with a smaller round brush and achieve more curl in the hair. And when you're finished, just take your brush, comb it through, make sure there isn't any gaps in it, and voila, you're finished. Thank you for watching. Hope I've helped.